Hey snack lovers, welcome back to PlatterPulse, your go-to spot for quick, bold, and totally irresistible recipes. Today, we're whipping up something that's sweet, spicy, crunchy, and absolutely addictive. It's Hot Honey Sriracha Popcorn, perfect for movie nights, game day, or when you're just craving something extra. Let's get popping. Here's what you'll need for this easy but flavor-packed snack. 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of sriracha, any hot sauce you love, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1/3 cup popcorn kernels, and of course, some salt to taste. First things first, let's make our magic drizzle. In a small bowl, combine the melted butter, honey, and give it a good whisk until everything blends into a silky, spicy sweet sauce. It smells amazing already and, trust me, this is the flavor booster that transforms regular popcorn into next-level deliciousness. Now, grab a deep pot something around 5 to 6 quarts and heat it over medium. Pour in your 3 tablespoons of oil. Here's a popcorn pro tip. Drop into popcorn kernels while the oil heats. Once those kernels pop, it's your sign that the oil is ready. Careful though. If you see smoke, turn the heat down a little. You want hot, not burning. Remove those test kernels and toss in your 1/3 cup of popcorn. Give the pot a little shake to make sure the kernels are spread evenly. Then, pop the lid on but leave it slightly ajar so the steam can escape. This little trick keeps your popcorn crisp instead of soggy. Now, just listen to the magic. The popping will go wild for a minute or two. Shake the pot gently every so often to keep things moving. Once the popping slows down about 2 to 3 seconds between pops, remove the pot from the heat. Quickly transfer the hot popcorn into a big mixing bowl. Now for the best part. Drizzle that hot honey sriracha sauce right over the popcorn. Use a spoon or your hands to toss everything until each piece is lightly coated. Finish with a generous pinch of salt and boom! You're done. Time for a taste test. Crunch? You get that buttery crunch first, then the sweetness from the honey, and finally, that spicy sriracha kick at the end. It's balanced, bold, and crazy good. Swap sriracha for chipotle sauce or buffalo, add a little cinnamon or smoked paprika, or top with crushed peanuts for a Thai-style twist. This popcorn has become a weekend staple in my kitchen. It's fast, fun, and always a crowd pleaser. Let me know in the comments if you try it or if you'd put your own spin on it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell if you're into simple, exciting recipes like this one. You'll find all the ingredients and steps in the description below, plus some helpful tips and links. Thanks for hanging out with me today on PlatterPulse. Until next time, keep your snacks spicy, your meals easy, and your flavors bold. See you in the next video.